Imagine at the age of 23, nag-start ako ng corporation, even though I don't have any experience sa business operation. I am Chris Dayagdag, the CEO of MarketLink Web Solutions, and we do full online business management for all types of businesses. Success for me is believing you can, and everything will follow. When I was a student, I am positive, passionate, and risk-taker. So originally, hindi IT talagang kinuha ko. And nakita ko I'm excelling in computer eh. So I decided to take up BS Information Technology. Until today, IT is still in demand. Alam natin na lahat ng type of businesses are in need of technology. Lalo na ngayon, naging uso na yung mga AI, mga cloud solutions. So technology is kailangan talaga. In order for us to win that kind of competition, you need to become competitive, you need to become creative, and innovative at the same time. Dati, meron pa akong corporate job that time. And dahil dun sa corporate job ko, nakaipon ako. I started itong IT freelance online business ko, and we offered web designing services. This business is actually existing up to the present. Ito lang yung pinakamurang investment na ginawa ko. And dahil dyan, lumaki na siya. I was able to start my online business for as low as 500 pesos. I went back to AMA University and finished my Doctor of Business Administration, batch 2017. In order for you to become successful, hindi lang dapat marunong ka sa IT eh. Kailangan marunong ka rin sa business. Business in a sense that dapat marunong ka sa human resource management, marketing, operation management, leadership, di ba? So pag kinumbine kasi natin yung IT at saka business, maganda yung magiging result niya. For the last few years, I was able to put up 4 Airbnb locations. So aside from that, I have other multiple research and development projects, something that can help the community, especially this pandemic. Since 2010, I have this freedom to travel and work anywhere I want. Together with my family, we were able to travel to more than 20 countries. And we can bring our job, our work, anywhere and anytime we want. Whether kung nasa beach kami, nasa taas ng bundok, yun yung fulfillment eh, na nagagawa ko na ngayon. And I can retire at the age of 40. To be successful, you have to stay hungry, stay foolish. Hungry to discover, hungry to learn new skills. Don't consider yourself an expert, but a fool in order to learn more. Lastly, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Choose your passion and don't stop until you reach your dreams. I am Chris Dayagdag.
Tingnan natin yung paano maging masaya. Marirealize mo na mas masarap i-enjoy ang buhay pag masaya ka. Di mo kailangan makipagtalo sa mga taong walang bilib sa'yo as long as nag-enjoy ka naman sa ginagawa mo. Maiksi lang ang buhay natin, hindi natin kailangan makipag-argumento. Positive people will always choose happiness. Kaya kung saan ka masaya, tuloy mo lang. Enjoy lang natin ang ating buhay kung saan tayo nagiging masaya.
Did what I did because I love her so.